Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you guys don't know I actually have a RX3. And now the car is on the process of doing body work. As you can see here, they scrap all the old paint and then have to rubbish it. But it took a lot of time and money. So this is the progress now. So from today now on, I think I will shoot more vlogs with this car and the progress. It is with the deep disc steering and then the center console, which is RX3. And then from today, my Mazda Rx3 episode will be on my playlist. So this one is episode 1. Now is the body process. After this, maybe I'm gonna shoot more content about this car.